Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11 on unsupported PC hardware. Here, if you check for updates, you will not see Windows 11 here on the list of your computer. It's not supporting yet. Now I will try to install Windows 11 on my PC. Let's see now, and there I will show you what to do. Okay. Windows 11 ISO. Open. Next. Okay, my PC does not meet the requirements, so now I will modify the Windows 11 image to be able to install on any PC. As you see, the processor isn't supported for this version of Windows. The PC must support TPM 2.0. Let's come here on this ISO and copy all files and folders to a new folder on the desktop. Now open sources folder and scroll down to appraisers.dll and open with Notepad. Now search and delete all TPM. Delete. 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 TPM version, you can leave it. Leave it. Delete. Leave it. Delete. Delete. Okay, now search and delete UEFI. UEFI. Okay, that's done. And save. Now let's try to install Windows 11. New folder 4. As you see, everything is okay. Now you can make a new ISO with this modified Windows 11. No TPM, no UEFI message. Open Power ISO. Select all, drag and drop here. File, save as, standard ISO image. File name, Windows 11. Finish. This is the new ISO. And now you can install Windows 11 on any PC. Okay guys, thank you for watching.